Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today I'm excited because we are making Florida cocktails. That's right, Florida has a lot of really incredible spirits that are being produced all around the state. These ones are made by St. Petersburg Distillery. We have a great Florida whiskey and an orange liqueur here. So today we are working with Florida whiskey. We're gonna make a fun cocktail. It's called Fatherly Advice. It is a delicious and classy drink as well. So let's get started on our recipe. First thing we wanna do is take our cocktail shaker and add ice to about 1/3, almost 2/3 of the way full. Now we can start adding some of our liquor. We're gonna add 2 ounces of this amazing Florida whiskey, and then a 1/2 ounce of this Florida liqueur. And then we're gonna add about 2 ounces of Florida blueberry juice. Now we've got fresh blueberries here and we made this juice in a juicer. All our ingredients are in our shaker. We've got plenty of ice, our Florida whiskey and our orange liqueur, our blueberry juice. And let's go ahead and put the top on and shake this up vigorously because we want this nice and cold, and then we're gonna pour it over ice. So let's shake it up real good. We're ready to pour our Fatherly Advice cocktail into our glass. So I've got some wonderful large ice cubes here that I made with a couple molds. And then we're gonna carefully pour over our mixed cocktail on top of the ice. And this is looking delicious. I can already smell some of this wonderful blueberry juice. It's giving our cocktail this really beautiful purple color. So now we just need to garnish our cocktail a little bit. So we're just gonna slice a little bit of fresh orange and garnish with a couple blueberries. So we finished up our cocktail, the Fatherly Advice. And listen, this is a delicious cocktail. Whether you like whiskey or not, I think you would really enjoy this one. So make sure to check out this recipe and many more on followfreshfromflorida.com. Don't forget to look for our club, the Fresh from Florida Club, where you can find lots of insider information, great newsletters on there. And remember, as always, make sure to keep it fresh and drink responsibly.